Hi dear students, how are you all of you? You all are very warmly welcome on our YouTube channel. Dear students, this is our lesson number second exercise that we are going to understand. Already we have understood lesson number second. Will you please tell me that what is the name of the lesson number second? The sun, the moon and the earth. Yes. Question number 1 is that correct the wrong statements, write down the correct ones. Okay. Correct the wrong statements and write down the correct one. Which are the wrong statements that we are going to correct? Yes, the first one is given, the moon revolves around the sun. The moon revolves around the sun. Okay. The moon revolves around the earth. Here earth is the correct one instead of sun. Second is, on full moon day, the moon, the sun, and the earth are positioned in this sequence. Okay, on a full moon day, the moon, the sun, and the earth are positioned in this sequence. Wrong. This is the wrong one. On full moon day, the moon, the sun, and the earth are positioned in sun, earth, moon sequence. Sun, earth, and moon sequence. Dear student, you have to see it well. You have to understand what is the different exact. Now next we will see is the third one. The reverse The revolutionary orbits of the earth and the moon are in the same plane. This is the wrong statement. The revolutionary orbit of the earth and the moon are not in the same plane. The moon's revolutionary orbit makes an angle of 5 degree with that of the earth. Yes. Now 4. In one revolution of the moon, its orbit intersects the earth's orbit only once. Okay, the in one revolution of the moon, its orbit intersects the earth's orbit only once. This is the wrong one. In one revolution of the moon, its orbit intersects the earth's orbit twice. Okay, in the question it is given once, in the answer it is given twice. It is all right to observe a solar eclipse without protecting the eyes. It is all right to observe a solar eclipse without protecting the eyes. This is the wrong one. It is harmful to observe a solar eclipse without protecting the eyes. While observing a solar eclipse, it is necessary to view the sun disk through dark glasses or special goggles made for that purpose. This is the answer. Dear student, you have to copy down answers in your notebook. Now we can go to the next page. See, this is the sixth one. An annular solar eclipse occurs when the moon is in the Pyrrhic position. An annular solar eclipse occurs when the moon is in the Pyrrhic position. This is the wrong one. An annular solar eclipse occurs when the moon is in the apogee position. Yes, now the figures are given. That figures also we have to observe. Select the correct option. Select the correct option. 3 are given here. C, A, B, C. From that, this is the correct figure, correct option. Now, second, question number 3 is that the space of sun disk at the time of annular solar eclipse, the shape of sun disk at the time of annular solar eclipse. The B1 is correct. Dear students, these figures you have in your notebook also, in your textbook of geography also. Now, question number 4 is that apogee position of the moon A, B, C, three positions are given. This is the correct one. Yes. Now, see, this is the question number 3. Complete the following table. Table is given, dear student. Details, lunar eclipse, solar eclipse. These three which we are going to complete here. Details, lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. Phases of moon, full moon day, new moon day. Sequence, moon, earth, moon, sun. Types of eclipses, total and total, partial and annular. Yes. Fourth, maximum duration of the total eclipse. Lunar eclipse it is for 107 minutes and solar eclipse it is of 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Understood, dear student? This table also you are going to write it in your notebook. Question number 4. Draw and label the diagrams. Draw and label the diagrams. Total and partial solar eclipse. Total and partial lunar eclipse. These are two available in your textbook, dear students. See on the pages and draw as same in your notebook and give their names. Now, question number 5. Answer the followings. Question number 1. Why do the sun, the moon, and the earth not lie in one and the same live on every full moon and new moon day? Yes, answer for this question is the orbital path of the earth around the sun and that of the moon around the earth are not in same plane. Second, the moon's revolutionary orbit makes an angle of about 5 degree with that of the earth. This is the first one. Now second, when total solar eclipse occurs, why is partial eclipse also seen from the earth? When total solar eclipse occurs, why is partial eclipse also seen from the earth? On a new moon day, it the sun, the moon and the earth are in same plane and fall in one line. The shadow of the moon falls on the earth. Second, a shadow of moon is of two types. A dark shadow of the moon falls on the same areas of the earth and at the same time a light shadow of moon falls on the other areas of the earth. Yes, here the answer is given for you. Now next is third one. Suggest measures that can be taken to eradicate the superstitions related to the eclipses. Yes, which are the superstitions, blind beliefs, with various activities and demonstrations given in the textbook explaining the fact that eclipse is just an astronomical event and there is nothing auspicious or inauspicious. Second, collecting the scientific information about eclipses by referring to newspaper, reference book, and the internal and sharing the same by way of posters, charts, group discussion, street play, etc. Yes. Now, fourth, what precautions should we take while observing a solar eclipse? See, it is very important when we are observing a solar eclipse, which are the precautions must taken by us while observing the solar eclipse. The answer is given for you. We should take the following precautions. Okay, while observing a solar eclipse, the see intense light of the sun can be harmful to the naked eyes. Therefore, we should avoid observing a solar eclipse by naked eyes. The remaining answer is here on this page. While observing a solar eclipse, we should view the sun disk through dark glasses of special goggles made for that purpose. Now, question number 5. What type of solar eclipse will occur in peric condition? The type of solar eclipses that will occur in peric condition are total and a partial. This is the exercise, dear student, which we have done here. See the questions, all the questions are given here, that the sun, the moon, and the earth. Okay, these all the questions you are going to write in your notebook. Okay, thank you, dear, for watching this video. And if you like this, please like it and subscribe it. Thank you.